Hey guys, today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair and I'm going to be reviewing this absolutely gorgeous unit that I have on my hair. The unit came in a standard Nadula Hair packaging, however they did give me a whole lot of gifts which I honestly appreciate. I like when companies really spoil you. So the first thing they gave me is this robe. It has Nadula Hair, well not Nadula Hair, Nadula on it. I'm actually going to open this up so you guys can see. So this is how the robe looks. I feel like my camera is making it look white, but it's this champagne gold color and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's also really good quality as well. It also has Nadula right here. Honestly, like I can't wait to wear this. Like I actually wanted to purchase a robe, but then I guess I have the one now. And then next, of course, the box, as you can see, and they did include a bunch of goodies as well. So they added this satin bag to preserve your unit. So thank you, Nadula Hair. You can never have enough satin bags. And then they sent me, wait, I don't know what this is. Let me open it up real quick. So this is basically to help you lay your lace down. Oh my god, this is so cute, guys. And it has some Velcro as well. And then they sent 2 wig caps, and then they sent me this snake print headband, this little gift box, or gift bag rather, and it has, what is this? Oh, this is, okay, it doesn't have a smell. I thought I smelled something. This is a makeup brush, and then of course the ever dramatic lashes, which nobody wears. Well, I guess people wear it, but it's just too dramatic for me. So that's all the box came with, and of course the unit itself, but I already took it out of the box. Onto the unit, guys. This hair is so gorgeous. I love the color. I feel like it'll go with any skin tone. If you're lighter than me, this will look absolutely gorgeous on you. If you're darker than me, it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous on you as well. So I'm gonna head straight into the install, and at the end of this video I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. So please stick around and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. So guys, this is the finished results and I absolutely love this unit. Honestly, I'm not surprised. It's Nadula Hair. Every unit I reviewed from them has been a hit back to back. So yeah, I didn't tweeze this unit. I didn't bleach the lace, none of that, and it still looks pretty decent. This unit, guys, absolutely gorgeous. Literally no shedding when I was like brushing and combing. No shedding whatsoever. It doesn't come, ugh, God, I can't speak. It didn't come with a smell and all of that jazz. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless. Bye guys. Mwah.